Oh. Oh, I didn't like that.
You pushing the wrong button.
He keeps it down, he doesn't realize. He doesn't get pissed off either. That's the funniest part. Did he? I heard that one. What?
Delayed reaction.
He's so not used to. Sing it.
He's gonna like throw up under your blanket.
He's gonna turn around and come at us. Oh.
Is that his mouth?
I think I did poke him in the mouth there.
You're gonna get the wrong end of the cat and you're gonna like poke him in the butt.
Oh, that's right, like, right there. I'm waiting for him to start hissing in a minute, really. That's his face. I'm grabbing a head. Hey!
He don't care.
He's like, you know what? Probably killed. Okay. Well, big burst of air. He's gone, and you'll look. Hi. Hi.
Oh, I gotta go. That was fun.